Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Clean With Me video. In this video, I am going to be doing a laundry motivation. So that's how I'm starting out the day. And I'm going to move from the laundry into the cleaning. So right now, I'm just loading the washer. If you are new to my channel, I'm Maria. Welcome. I am glad you are here. What I do on this channel is clean, decorate, and organize with me content. If you are into content like that and you're looking for inspiration, motivations, and tips, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up for this video as well. Comment and share to my day ones, my regular degulars, my VIP subbies. Thank you so much for returning always to watch my videos. I truly appreciate you guys. And to my new subbies, I truly appreciate you guys as well. So while the laundry so while the laundry is going, what I like to do is start my cleaning. Typically one load can take 1 hour, so that's a long time to be sitting around doing nothing. So I'll start my cleaning. Now I got this living room console recently, so right here I'm just decorating the console, and once I'm done decorating the console, then I'll move on into cleaning the space. So, because there's a mirror right across from the console, what I decided to do was not to put a mirror above the console. Also, there is my thermostat right there that would impede me from doing that anyhow. So I decided to use these two wall decor pieces, which works out perfectly. So guys, I've prepped this room to be painted, so just ignore the prep work that you see on the wall in the painting that's currently there. It's gonna get a fresh coat of paint, and I am currently in love, and I believe I'm gonna stay in love with this gray color that I have in my bedroom, as well as I've have it now in the hallway and the kitchen and dining area. So I'm gonna put that in the living room. So this is the finished results, or the outcome of my console being decorated. I'm in love with it as well. I'm very pleased. It gives me a very homey and cozy vibe, and that's always my goal when I'm decorating. Whenever I'm cleaning, the process that I like to use is the top to bottom process. I like to declutter, then I like to dust and then polish. So declutter, I use the top to bottom, dust and polish. And then I have a rhythm. I have a process in place, so that helps me to go faster when I'm cleaning because I just know exactly what I'm doing. And it's repetition, so it's repeated. And so it seems easier than it actually is. And then because it seems easier mentally, guess what? It is easier. So, hey, I have fun cleaning. I hope you guys experience that as well, with the inspiration that you're getting and the motivation and the tips that I'm sharing with you. Because the finished results is so gratifying and so satisfying. The living room was so dusty, the carpet was messy. It had, like it wasn't clean. I had to vacuum. And with me decorating the council and changing a little other things around and just dusting and polishing and doing my Febreze spray. I spray my Febreze on the pillows as well as some of my throws and the curtains. It's not needed, but I just like that fresh scent. And I do that in between washes. And like I'm saying, it's very satisfying. So, guys, I know cleaning the mirrors and the TV screen at this stage in the cleaning process is not the top to bottom process, but that's because I decided to clean the mirrors and the TV at last minute because they didn't look like they needed cleaning. But I just couldn't help myself. I'm like, okay, while I'm at it, let me just do it. And so I went back and I cleaned the mirror and the TV. So that's why that happened. So you guys already know this is my favorite part of cleaning, the vacuuming, because I'm almost done when I get to the vacuuming because this is the bottom. this, this is the bottom. So I'm just vacuuming the area right now. And I was very happy to be at this stage of the cleaning process.